Let me just check if the weave is intact. Oh, it's a little bit of leave out. Okay. Oh, yeah. But yeah. No, can I say something? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Fam, I think it's been like, the last video I uploaded was back in December 2017. Yes, it's been a long time, but your girl's been busy. So I need to really just update you for what's been happening and so on, where I'm at now, what am I doing. You see I got some new hair. I got some weave for y'all. So the blonde hair's gone. Boy, there's like literally a little bit left, but this hair's in just because your girl graduated. And your girl had your hen do. Okay, we're gonna get to that, but let's just start off by saying I am sorry. I'm probably the most inconsistent YouTuber you've ever witnessed or even seen in your life. I have to apologise, but your girl has a life. Not to say that this ain't my life, you know, like this is people's income. Anyway, let me just shut my mouth. Let's just start. So basically, just finished third year. Well, I basically just graduated like 2 days ago. Basically just finished third year. And for you guys that know, obviously third year is the most difficult year, it's the most challenging year. So okay, let's rewind. Let's just go back. Let's go back, yeah? Cool. So you guys know I got engaged in August to my lovely fiance. Got that ring. Haha. Yeah. So started at uni in September. Obviously you guys know third year is a bit challenging, etc. I made a prayer before I started third year and I said, listen, Lord, I have to plan the wedding and doing this uni thing. It's not easy, yeah? So please let third year be just a little bit easier than what I hear from people's traumatic experiences. I'm hearing sleepless nights, I'm hearing I didn't eat, I didn't sleep, I didn't leave the house for weeks, like da-da-da-da. Lord, I don't want to experience that. I just want to have a good time. Obviously still past uni, but still being able to juggle other things because there's a lot on my plate. Bear in mind, I wasn't even working, yeah? I had to stop working completely just because like I just wanted to be focused on uni and I wanted to get a good grade. Kind of too short. Third year was the most easiest year out of all years in uni. Can you believe that? Third year. Or in terms of like dedication, time and so on, yeah, it was taking a lot of time out. I was taking a lot, well, I didn't basically have a social life, basically. Well, I did, kind of. It required a lot out of me, yeah? But in terms of like it being like hard and like, oh my gosh, I can't do this. Never experienced that. I think my second year was the most difficult year. But yeah, it was really good. I got a 2-1. Literally graduated 2 days ago. And it was awesome sauce, awesome. And bear in mind guys, can you believe I'm getting married in 2 weeks? 2 weeks, man. It's that real. Can you believe how fast it's come? Obviously, I was supposed to be like doing like vlogging and stuff like that and just like, oh yeah, like I'm gonna be filming like my journey and so on with like being like a bridezilla and etc. Like guys, I was even on TV, like there's been so much happening. Boy, okay, so we've got past the uni bit. Cool, get to uni now, finish uni. I start working full time straight away. As soon as I finished uni the Friday, and I started work the Tuesday after that, like full-time work, hardcore. I work with Benefit, so you guys know Benefit Cosmetics. They're known for their mascara, their primer, excellent, hey? I've been using it even before I even started working for them, and I love it. But full-time work, and you have to work every Saturday, is real. So imagine going from full-time education to full-time work. Obviously, I've never had a full-time job before, always part-time, so it took a lot out of my body. Like my feet were like swelling, like it was crazy. But I'm back and I'm chill and I'm just happy. I hope you guys have missed me. Your girl's been about, fam, but I'm here now and I'm about. But let me just tell you something that's on my mind. Wanna how I know God is good? Tell me guys, obviously like I told you guys, I just started working full-time end of May. Tell me how I managed to pay off myself and my husband to be. Bear in mind, he was working as well, but wasn't earning as much obviously as he wanted to. But bear in mind, how did we manage to pay off the wedding? Yes guys, the wedding is paid off. Yeah, it was paid off like a good solid 6 weeks before. How on earth did we manage to pay off the whole wedding without me even working? Yes, student loan was there, yeah, cool. But it weren't really covering much. I'm telling you, the grace of God is real. It's actually real. When there is a promise on your life, yeah, and when there's a purpose in your life, and if it's meant to happen, it will happen, regardless of what your circumstance may be, regardless of what your situation may be. It will happen, despite how long it may take, despite the trials you have to face. It will happen. Even like finding a job, yeah, straight after I finish uni. You can't tell me that's not God. You can't tell me, it's mad. Paid off wedding, check. Finish uni, check. Last step now is to obviously get married, which is in 2 weeks. But yeah, you'll be seeing more of me and so like that, more videos, etc. Even video of the day, or little like snippets here and there, but that will be uploaded hopefully just a few weeks after my wedding, if I need to enjoy my husband for a bit, okay? And the party, yeah. But yeah, planning a wedding is not easy. The thing is, no, I take that back, yeah? Planning a wedding is calm. I organise stuff, I do all of that all the time. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm a very precise, organised person, and things have to be so particular, like I'm cool. It's the people that make it stressful. I'm having a big wedding, yeah? Big people. 350 to 400 people ceremony, yeah? Okay, yeah. The people, especially the family, obviously my family's fine. It's just, amen, I'm talking too much. So if you're going to plan a wedding, get support. Imagine just being in uni planning a wedding and people in your ear just being dumb. Anyway, God is good. So I was about to be a whole wide fan, but yeah. Anyway, after me blabbering on, obviously just wanted to catch up, obviously what I've been doing and etc. But yeah, you'll see more makeup tutorials. Sorry, my makeup's not really like the best. This is like makeup work. So this makeup has been on since like I think about 9 o'clock, so it's a bit oily, so hopefully in the camera it looks deceiving and I look cute, come on. So I'll be sharing my life and everything in between. But yeah, God is good, okay, amen. But yeah, that's enough from me guys. Please remember to subscribe, share, like and comment. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys very soon. But yeah, keep it locked, don't give up on me. I'm about now, I'm here to stay, yeah? I'm not leaving. Okay, lovely, see you later. Bye.